Good morning, guys. I have an unboxing from Fashionphile, and like the name of my title, is it a hit or is it a miss? So this was about a couple weeks ago. I couldn't sleep. It was about 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm window shopping. I went into Fashionphile, going through my wish list, and when I saw this beauty, I was like, "This is so cute. I remember this. I remember these bags." And I was like, you know what? If I put it in my shopping cart, it's going to be gone a day or two. And I didn't want to take a chance. So what I like about Fashionphile, if you don't like it, you can return it. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna open it. I'm so excited. Here goes. So I did start opening it. I just have this little piece left, so I'm gonna pause you guys. Oh, this is exciting because I received it a week ago, but I've been really busy, and so this video is way overdue. Here we go. We're all familiar with this, the receipt. Oh, it's so cute. We're all familiar with the nail file. Beautiful. We're all familiar with their saying. Use is the new new. Okay. All right, guys. I'm super excited. It did say that it came with the original dust bag. Here she is. Oh, wow. 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 Well, familiar with this. Yeah. It described it as very good condition, and what I see on camera, it does look good. This looks really good. I am a big fan of the color red. It has a couple little scratches, no big deal. It looks good. It really looks good. I love it. So that early morning when I was about to purchase it, I went straight to YouTube to see anyone talking about it, and there wasn't a lot of videos. There was about 4 or 5 videos. So I like it. I like it. Like I said, it's me. I love small bags. This is great for errands. The black pops really pretty. Wow. This person took care of it really well. And we all done that. We've all done that. We buy something, we use it a couple times, and we leave it in our closet. We move on to something else. Then we feel guilty. Why did we buy it? What a waste of money. So I'm sure this person must have had those feelings or something. Well, it doesn't matter. It's I did check other websites to see how much they go for. I did pretty good. I think I did really good. Okay, so I'm going to pause you guys because I only have one hand. Let's see if I'm able to. Perfect. So, oh, remember these bags? Nice. So it came with the original bag, this bag. Okay. This is gold. Whoever throws this away, do not throw this away. This is so important for your bags. I mean, it's not that serious, but it does help keep your bags in shape. I'm happy. I'm really happy. And it's what I like is that it still has this structure. Person that